How to get rid of a sunburn. First thing is to take a cold shower. When you wash your face, use plain water. I'm using this one for my face and a different one for my body because the blue one kind of irritates my eyes when it's around my eyes. I'm using the brand After Sun. Doesn't matter as long as it has a little oil in it. I meant to say aloe. Just rub it into your sunburn. It feels great. You want to hydrate the skin, so use lotion. Don't use a scented one though. It could irritate your sunburn. Be sure to put sunscreen on whenever you go out, because once you already have a sunburn, it's very, very easy to get a worse sunburn by being in the sun. I feel like I'm gonna be out for a couple minutes. You could still get it, so put sunscreen on. I know most people probably won't listen to this, but the healthier you eat, the faster your sunburn will go away. If you eat nothing but soda and chips, then that isn't good for your skin, so it'll stay longer. So eat healthy stuff, and yeah. Bye, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and stuff. Thank you for watching this.